Many people have negative things to say about people that are on Section 8, like they nasty, they never clean up, the yard is messed up, they don't be doing nothing every day but laying around, they don't buy food and they get food stamps. But welcome to my Section 8 house where I'm living here temporarily, because like I told y'all, I'm going to be getting out this program soon and moving right on along. But this is my living room, you guys. I don't have a big flat screen TV hanging off the wall like y'all. Y'all be having like 82 inches. I can't afford that, and I can see with the little inches I got, Lord. These are roses that I love. My daughter gave them to me for Mother's Day. This is my den, I would call it. My son gave me the flowers. I don't have much. Most of the things that I do have, like the decor and stuff, it came from Dollar General. Or either it came from Dollar Tree or from the thrift store. Yeah, that's how I shop. But I like my things cozy and nice, just like you do, even though I'm on the Section 8 program. My house ain't too dusty. I might need to clean the baseboards. But when I go into my kitchen every morning, just know it's clean, nice, cozy, with plenty variety of fruits. Yes, love, decorations from the Dollar Tree. And I made sure that I keep me some plasticware, paper plates and stuff on hand just in case of an emergency. I need to put these dishes up though, but that was me from washing the dishes last night. I'm finna get ready to put them up. But y'all be talking about people on the Section 8 program are nasty. They get food stamps. They don't buy food. Baby, my sink even clean. Just know that. And this is for the fruit flies. This actually collects the fruit flies. And you know I got fruit flies because I like a lot of fruit. Yeah, that's why I got it. My son bought me that. But let's go in this refrigerator where y'all say people on Section 8 with food stamps, they don't buy food. Now, I don't receive food stamps, but we do eat food. We eat a lot of fruits and vegetables around here. Yes, we do. I need to go back to the grocery store again, but I'm good. And when I say we, I mean my children and my grandchildren. They come over pretty regular. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever tried that coconut water, baby? It's good. And yeah, I keep stuff in my freezer as well. Plenty variety of foods and fruits and vegetables. So just gather around and check out my Section 8 house. Now, I'm not going to show you the bathroom right now because you have to go through my bedroom to get to my bathroom. I'll do that in a later video. But I just want to show y'all how I live. And I'm on the Section 8 program. And I know a lot of people that live like this as well. Baby, just know that. And it's my obligation to keep the yard up too. So I have a lawn man that comes out every 2 weeks, you guys. It's springtime. Baby, it's time to relax in the yard. It's comfy and cozy in the yard as well, with the barbecue grill from Walmart, with the fire pit that my daughter bought me, with the little barbecue grill from Family Dollar, with the homemade fire pit that was placed in the ground, baby. We doing it big over here in my Section 8 house. So when people be talking about that everybody that's on Section 8 are nasty, filthy, don't clean up, don't work and stuff, they be lying.